Hey guys, what is up? Red Panda Mining here, back with another video. Today is a good day. Zotac sent me a brand new GTX 1060, 6GB. I had to RMA. I RMA'd one about a month and a half ago due to it artifacting. Well, probably because of mining. I had it in the, I don't know if you guys watched, I had the server case, the 4U server case with 8 of these cards in the case. And this one was smack dab in the middle, and I believe it was artifacting and it was overheating. So that was my fault. But, you know, Zotac doesn't know that. So Zotac, after a month and a half, graciously sent me a new one. Also, another good thing about Zotac was that I didn't have the receipt. They were still able to work it out. They're pretty nice, so nice about it. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this into another an open frame that I have a GTX 1070 on, and that rig right now it's just one GTX 1070. This rig here, this is my 6x570 rig. 4GB from Asus, and this rig is giving me some troubles still. I got down the wattage and the hash rate mining Ethereum Classic, but now the temperatures are really bad. So some of these cards, I'm using it in Hive OS. One of these or two of these cards are getting around 74 to 78 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. And so I'm gonna change out these cards into my other rig, the GTX 1070 rig that I got here. You guys remember this rig? This is the bathroom rig. You guys remember this? You remember this guy? I got it off right now. Oh, the fan's on. So I'm gonna put the 6x570 cards into this rig. This frame, because this frame is a lot bigger. So initially I was gonna get 7 GTX 1070s, but they're still pretty expensive up where I am. So instead I'm gonna make it so that the cards are spread out, the 6x570s in this frame instead. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, I got all the cards off this rig here, and then this one, I realized I made this rig for 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see that there's already 7 pre-drilled holes that I did earlier. Well, when I made this frame way back. So I gotta measure that out, and then I'm gonna drill some holes. Let's do that now. Alright, as you guys can see, got the frame here. I did the holes. I moved over the motherboard and the power supplies. Now it's time to plug it all in and put the cards in, and then we'll turn it on and see what temperatures we get. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so I got the rig plugged in, mining ETC at the moment on Hive OS, and the temperatures, I just booted it about 5 minutes ago. It's been mining up now for about 3 minutes, and the fan speed's at 60%, and we got temperatures of 48 degrees, 64, 46, 54, 51, 48. So I'm gonna leave it on for the next 10-20 minutes, and we'll see what it is, the temperatures after this. Alright guys, after about 4 minutes or so, one of the cards is hitting up 72 degrees. So, I mean, it's still better than the other frame that I had it on. It was getting about 78 to 80 degrees at one point. And I had another card going up to around 70, 75, 76 degrees. So in that case, I'm going to, if you guys can see on the top right, I put a little 140 millimeter fan, and I'm going to install that, and then we'll see what the temperatures are after that. So be right back. Alright guys, so I've added the two 140 millimeter fans, and as you can see, the temperature has dropped 3 degrees on that GPU 1. That was giving a pretty high temperature. I have reason to believe it could be maybe the thermal paste may need to be redone, because as you guys can see here, a lot of the other cards are pretty good when it's more spaced out in this mining frame. So, but overall, I think that's a success. And another thing I think that will help is that this rig is not going to stay at this spot because it's close up against a wall, and this is just my test bench area. So I'm probably going to move in a different area which will have more airflow and probably cooler. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please let me know what you guys think. I see a card here that's at 27 mega hash. I'll have to troubleshoot that another time, but was a productive day indeed. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.